Hi everyone, my name is Chuck Watry and I'm a field product expert for Broan-NuTone and Best. And today we're going to be taking a look at a Broan AR130BL series range hood. The purpose of the video is to show how to make this unit non-ducted. This particular model is a ducted or non-ducted, but to use it as a recirculating unit, there's a step that you must do, and this video will show you. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we must do, if this unit is brand new out of the box and you are going to set this unit up to be a recirculating unit, non-ducted, first thing you must do is take the electrical box cover off. There's one screw holding it, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the electrical box cover. There it is. Comes out just like so. There's tabs that lock into right here and right here. What you're going to do, so to make this recirculating, there's a plate that has to be removed. This plate is actually, when you're looking up underneath of it, it's going to be the third screw in. You're going to remove that screw like so, and you're going to, there's a little, like a little finger tab. You're going to grab this tab and you're just going to carefully slide this plate out. And that's all there is to making this a non-ducted unit. You will need to purchase the non-ducted filter for this unit, and you're ready to go. You're just going to wire this unit up then to your electrical. It's black to black, white to white. Your ground goes to the ground screw. Another thing on this particular unit is, I want to show you, is this filter. A lot of times people ask me how to get this filter, and everybody thinks the filter goes above the 4 tabs. It actually doesn't. It actually just slides in front of those tabs, and you just push the filter in to lock it in place. So it's kind of flush with this housing. But that's all there is. I hope this video helps. Thanks.